Hi everyone, this is Krishna Vandanapu, a business applications MVP, a Microsoft certified trainer. Welcome to my channel. As the year 2021 coming to an end, this is my last video for this year. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to all my subscribers and viewers and the support which you are providing to continue my channel and share my knowledge in Power Platform. In this video, I'll walk you through on few of the projects which have accomplished by my students in just 10 classes. I will also introduce each and every student, which company they have got the job, the concepts which they have used in these projects, which we all have to know to create the effective Power Apps projects in, day out schedule. Without any further delay, let's see each and every project with their explanation. If you are a new viewer on my channel, this is the best time to subscribe to my channel to get all the latest news on Power Platform and learnings, tips and tricks to create effective apps in Power Apps.
Hello everyone, I am Bhagyashree Rapeti. I am MSc Computer Science student. My year of graduation is 2019 to 2021 from Gayatri Vidya Parishad College for degree and PG courses, Visakhapatnam. I am currently working for Infosys. Now I want to explain about my project which I have accomplished in Power Platform with use of Power Apps, Power Automation, Power BI and SharePoint technologies. Now let me walk through my project in detail. Here is my project Fresh Farm, which is like e-commerce. If the customer wants to purchase some grocery items in Fresh Farm, first he need to have an account in Fresh Farm. They can only have an access to purchase products. Here is the menu. Here admin have different permissions. We'll discuss it later. This is about Fresh Farm. If the customer have any queries, he can send all his queries in contact us. Here dashboard which is generated by Power BI. The customer can easily build trust by seeing this report. Then coming back to home, registered customer only can access the products to purchase. Here login. After login, it will bring us to product page. Here this is the total count of items. We can easily search here by names. Here this is the profile of Office 365 user. When we add the products to cart, here the cart rate will automatically increase. Once we go through it, it will show all the items the customer has chosen. If he want to change the count rate of quantity, the price will automatically change and total bill will shown up with include tax and shipping bill. In this, I use all the math functions which are part of Power Apps. Here title for name and address. After checkout, it will bring him to feedback page, then log out. Coming to admin portal, admin have different login credentials. The admin can able to insert new products or delete existing products. He can also able to see all the customer which are have account in Fresh Form, and also he can see all the orders which have purchased by customers. Here the admin can add the new inventory. He can delete the existing product and he can also edit. If I want to edit something 40, it will update it. That's all about my project. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Arvind. I completed MSc Computer Science at Gayatri Vidya Parishad College, Visakhapatnam of batch 2019 to 21. Book a cab is the project title. In this app, customer can book a cab or cargo vehicle. They can log in and book new cab, update, delete previous bookings. I implemented my project by using these technologies: Power Apps, Power BI, and SharePoint. Coming to the app, this is the landing page. If the customer is new, he can click on sign up and can register by giving all the required details. Here we can see the customer ID is automatically generated by selecting title. Here the required fields are given, but the submit button is in disable mode. After giving from date and to date, that will be in enable mode. Here you can see submit button is in enable mode. Okay. Here type of vehicles are two types. When we click on cargo, that will type of cab will move to these types: van, minivan, truck, light truck. Here each vehicle have different amount. Here we can see that truck have 20,000. That is the rental prices. But I want to choose cab. I'll choose cab under regular, premium, and Creta. And after clicking on submitting, we can see that booking confirmed, and we can also see that customer ID and password. After clicking on this, we will move to landing page. By clicking on sign in, if the customer need to book another cab, you can give the login credentials, and by clicking on sign in, you can see three options: new booking, update booking, or delete booking. I want to book another cab. Here you can use the previous screen only by getting all the details here, but from and to and vehicles are in disable mode. Now I am clicking another cab at same time. Right. 2. Now I'll choose a cargo vehicle. By submitting, we can get the confirmation. After clicking in this, here we can see the customer rating. By clicking on submitting, we can move to home screen, and when we want to update, we can click on this. Here we can see all the previous bookings. I want to change this to light truck. By clicking on update, we can see the confirmation message: changes modified successfully. Now I want to cancel any booking. We can move to here. By clicking on this, we can get a confirmation message that, are you sure you want to delete the record? By clicking on yes, the record will be deleted. Here we can move to report screen. This is the report screen. Here there are 4 types of charts, and we click on particular cab, we can see the change in all the other charts. When we click on a customer, they can see the contribution in all the other charts. That's the beauty of Power BI. This is all about my project. Finally, I would like to thank Krishna Sudhir sir, who helped me to complete this application. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Bhavani Darapu, pursued my MSc Computer Science at Gayatri Vidya Parishad College, Visakhapatnam of the batch 2019 to 2021. Submitting job application form is my project title. In this app, end user can apply for more than one job and admin can accept or reject the applications. I implemented my project using the following 4 technologies: Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and SharePoint. This is the landing page of my app. This is about page. This is sign in page. If the end user is already existed, he can sign in, otherwise go for create an account. Until I give all the required fields, the submit button will not be enabled. Now I am submitting the form. Submission is in progress. After completion, by clicking on it, I will navigate to sign in page. Here I can sign in with username and password which are generated through sign up process. By clicking on sign in, I will navigate to profile page. This is the profile of current user. All the details are in non-editable mode. By clicking on edit icon, I can edit all the details. After applying some changes, I am updating my profile. Now my profile got updated. This is the hamburger menu. This is the home page. It is showing the end user that what exactly is going on throughout the app. All the available jobs are showed here. User can search for a particular job by giving the name. Otherwise, he can search on experience and qualification. Now I am going to apply for front-end developer. This is the form to be filled by the user to send application for the job front-end developer. I am submitting the form. After submission, I will navigate to home screen. This is all about user access. Now I am going to explain about admin access. Admin can sign in with his unique email ID and password. After sign in, admin can see all the applications sent by the applicants. Here, admin can see how many people were applied for a particular job like this. Otherwise, he can search by giving the name. Here, admin can see the resume of the applicant and he can also accept or reject. Now I am going to accept. After accepting, the user will get the mail from this app. Admin can also reject by deleting the name, by rejecting it. It will ask for confirmation. The applicant got rejected. This is the applicant's report consisting of 3 charts. One is bar chart, one is pie chart and the other one is tree chart. If you click on one chart, it automatically shows changes on other 2 charts. This is the great feature of Power BI and it is also called dynamic nature. This is all about admin access. So I am going to sign out. This is the flow I created using Power Automate. It is the variable to access the address of site, that is SharePoint. It is to access path of the file, that is resume PDF. It is to getting data from SharePoint using 2 variables created before. Finally getting content of file and bind it to the Power App. This is the code to use the flow shown before. Here it is the site address and it is the file of the path. It is all about my project, and finally I would like to thank our Krishna sir who played a key role to complete this project. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am glad to introduce myself. I am Replication from MCA branch of Gayatri Vidya Parishad College for Degree and PG courses. And today I introduce the app that I have created using Power Apps, Power BI, Power Automate and SharePoint list under the guidance of Mr. Krishna Sudhir sir. The title of the project is Leave Application. Leave Application is an online automated system which will enable the users for apply for leaves through cloud, and also they can check the status of pending request, and the higher authorities has the right to accept or reject the leave request. The home screen consists of title, icon and also 4 switching tabs, namely employee, approver, inventory and status report. When I click on employee, you can observe the login credentials of the user. And as I'm new to this environment, I click on new. The registration page is divided into 2 sections. One is personal details and the other is leave request details. I already have the existing user. I have entered these details. The user request details page consists of previous request gallery with filters, pending, approve and decline. New request, click on the add icon on right side of the screen And after entering the leave details, you can click on submit button for creating a new request. And a new request added to our gallery with three options like edit, view and delete. And out of this box you cannot perform any actions which are get masked. In the approval dashboard, you can observe the gallery filtered with only pending options. And when you click on this action button, you will get the pop-up with request details. And when you click on the send mail option, the mail is sent to the admin, but the admin will get a mail with two options like approve and reject. When you click on approve, he can also provide the contents and also sub. In the inventory page, you can observe an editable gallery with two options for each record. And one of the option is edit and the other option is to delete. So when I click on the edit icon, only that particular record will get come into editable mode, and if I modify any content and click on the save icon, that particular record will get modified and will not affect the all other records. And if I click on this trash icon, you can get a confirmation to delete that particular record, and after clicking on S, that particular record will get deleted. So the record with the name Rahul is deleted. And also I have provided the search functionality to filter the record by typing your name or address or mobile or any of the fields which will can appear here. In the leave report page, you can observe different charts with request status of different users. And when I click on any request like approve, the corresponding status of request in each chart gets highlighted dynamically. Thank you everyone, and my special thanks to Krishna Sudhi sir for the overall guidance and support.
Hello everyone, I am Velanki Sai Rachna, pursued MSc Computer Science in Gayatri Vidya Parishad College for Degree and PG courses autonomous in the academic year 2019 to 2021. Online banking using Power Apps is my project where the user can create an account and log into the particular account by using the account number and password. The technologies used in the app are Power Apps, Power Automata, Power BI and SharePoint list. This was my app landing screen online banking. Here I am using this icon to navigate between the screens. If we click on this icon, admin login, contact us, login, create, about and report will be shown. If we click on the contact us, the admin details will be shown. If we click on the about, the abstract of the whole project will be described here. If the user does not have any account, the user can create an account by clicking on this create icon. After the user had clicked on the create, it will navigate me to the personal details screen where the details will be given here, and initially the submit button will be in the disabled mode. After giving all the details, here I am using the account type of two types, savings and current. If we click on any of these two, the account number will be automatically generated. This was implemented by using the function called random. Here see, the submit button is enabled. So if we click on the submit, the details have been submitted successfully. After creating an account, it's time for the user to log in. If we click on login, it will navigate me to the login screen. After entering the user ID and password, here the user ID is nothing but the account number. If we click on OK, it will navigate me to the edit screen. Here the current logged in user can edit the details and can save the details by clicking on the save icon. Here we can see a menu called the hamburger menu. If we click on this, edit, instant loan, instant gold loan, deposit money, delete and logout will be shown. These are the 6 screens I have implemented in this app. The main functionality of this app which lies in the delete screen only. If we click on the delete, it will show me all the details of current logged in save 6324 user, where the user cannot edit all the details because this form will be in readable form. So if the user clicked on this delete icon, it will show an warning message called you can close your account by your own. If you want to close your account, please press OK, otherwise click on cancel. If the user wanted to delete the account, if he or she can click on OK, then mail will be automatically generated and sent to the admin. If the user wanted to cancel, he can cancel. So here I am clicking OK. There will be a mail which will be sent to the admin directly. So and finally we can log out. This was the mail received to the admin. The customer with 92 and save 6324 request you to delete the account. So here the save 6324 wanted to close his account. The mail has automatically generated to the admin. The user had clicked OK. So the mail has directly generated to the admin. After seeing the mail, now it's time for the admin to login. If you click on this admin login, it will navigate me to the admin login screen. Here the admin ID and password will be shown. Here both the admin ID and password, which are very unique and only known to the admin. If you go and click on the login, it will navigate me to the delete customer screen. Here is the search icon where we can search the account number. The admin has logged in to delete the save 6324 account number. If we click on the trash icon, the pop-up will be displayed. The user requested to delete the account. So if we click on yes, the account will be removed. This was my bank dashboard screen. This was implemented by using Power BI. This was my flow which is created on Power Automata. The first one is Power Apps and second one is the SharePoint list. In SharePoint list, here I have given the ID called the bank account, and the last one is the mail. Here only the admin details have been given, and the subject is for requesting to delete the account, and the body is the customer ID and the customer account number. Thank you everyone, and I just want to mention a special thanks to V. Krishna Sudhi sir for overall guidance and support.
I am Jevna Madina, graduated MCA from Gayatri Vidyapariషత్ College in Visakhapatnam in the academic year of 2019 to 2021 batch. As an academic project based on a supermarket inventory, I used some of the technologies of the Microsoft Power Platform for this application. Those are Power Apps, SharePoint, Power Automate and Power BI. This is the landing page of my app. In this app, I implemented 4 screens. 4 of them to have main functionality. Here user can log in through username and password by registering. After registering, he can navigate to the main page. There is a left tab menu bar. It is a dynamic responsive tab. When the user selects a specific tab, it acts according to it. Here user can add records. He can see inventory reports. The main functionality of this app is to showcase the previous transactions. Here we can view the records by selecting particular period of time by start date and end date. We can see the status of transactions. Here we have search text box. Can view the transaction by searching the name of the product. These are the functionalities of the user as an employee. When the user logs in as an admin, he is the only one can access the admin page. We can see through in the home page. After authentication of the admin, in left menu bar we'll see the admin tab. In admin screen, he can modify products, delete products. He can also even place an order through a automated mail. For visuality, I have implemented alternative colors to the gallery rows. This is all about my app. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed the projects which were created by my students in just 10 classes by implementing most of the best practices Microsoft has advised to be implemented while creating Power Apps in Power Platform. If you like the projects, add your comments, subscribe to my channel for all the future updates and tips and tricks in Power Platform. Thank you. Have a nice day.